Hi guys, today we talk about Honor X50 GT versus Vivo S18 Pro. The Vivo S18 Pro launched on December 2023 with the price tag of $500 and the Honor X50 GT launched on January 2024 with the price tag of $400. The dimension is same and the weight of these devices. The Vivo S18 Pro come with 188 gram and the Honor X50 GT come with 192 gram, and the build, both devices come with front and back glass and plastic frame, and it's come with dual SIM support. And the display of these devices, the both devices come with AMOLED 1 billion color display, and the screen size is same 6.78 inches, and the resolution, the both devices come with 1.5K screen resolution and the PPI density. The Vivo S18 Pro come with 453 PPI density and the Honor X50 GT come with 431 PPI density, and the screen to body ratio, the Vivo S18 Pro come with 89.9% of body ratio and the Honor X50 GT come with 91.2% of body ratio, and the refresh rate is same 120Hz in both devices. And the protection, the both devices come with Gorilla Glass protection. The Vivo S18 Pro come with 2800 nits peak of brightness and the Honor X50 GT come with 1600 nits peak of brightness. Let's go to the camera setup. The Vivo S18 Pro come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 12 megapixel telephoto, and it record 4K 60 fps video. And the Honor X50 GT come with dual camera setup. The main sensor 108 megapixel and the second 2 megapixel depth, and it's record 4K 30 fps video. Let's talk about the front camera of these devices. The Vivo S18 Pro come with 15 megapixel of front camera and 4K 30 fps video record. The Honor X50 GT come with 8 megapixel of selfie camera and it record 1080p 30 fps video record. And the platform of these devices, and the Vivo S18 Pro come with octa-core CPU with Cortex X3 and the Honor X50 GT come with octa-core CPU with Cortex X2. The Vivo S18 Pro come with MediaTek 9200 plus 4nm chipset, and the Honor X50 GT come with Snapdragon 8 plus Gen 1 4nm chipset and the GPU. The Vivo S18 Pro come with Immortals G715 and the Honor X50 GT come with Adreno 730, and the both devices come with Android 14 and 13 operating system. And the Vivo S18 Pro come with 16GB of RAM and the Honor X50 GT come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM. The internal storage of these devices, the Honor X50 GT come with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage, and the Vivo S18 Pro come with 256GB, 512GB internal storage, and no SD card support in both mobiles. Let's go to the battery setup. The Vivo S18 Pro come with 5000 mAh battery and the Honor X50 GT come with 5800 mAh battery, and the Vivo S18 Pro come with 80 watt fast charging. The Honor X50 GT come with 35 watt fast charging and no wireless charging support in both mobiles, and it's also come with 5G network support. The common and feature is same in both mobile, and the result of these devices, the Vivo S18 Pro got 25 points and the Honor X50 GT got 19 points.